How do you spell cold?
C-O-L-D, cold, cold, cold.
Now, let's play a game. Two students will come up here. I'll give this student a card, and he turns away. And I'll give that student another card, and she or he turns away. I say 1, 2, 3, turn. You turn around and read out the other person's card. Let's see who is faster, shall we? Who wants to play? Okay, Cindy, Miranda. Okay, now back to back. Go. 1, 2, 3, turn. Who's faster? Okay. Now give her a 10-finger whoa. Whoa. Good job though, Miranda. Who wants to play? Jerry and Kitty. Kitty. Don't look though. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, turn. Who's faster? Kitty. Give her a 10-finger whoa. Whoa. Thank you. Who wants to play? Ellen. Oh yeah. Here you go. Turn. Even Steven. Okay, class. Class. Let's play another game. When I clap my hands, once everybody stand up, turn around, and sit down quickly, shall we? Okay, ready, go. Frank, how do you spell cloudy? No? How do you spell cloudy? Nice. Now when I clap my hands twice, 1, 2, everybody should stand up and go, Husa! Sit down quickly. Ready? Okay. Samuel, you're the last one. How do you spell cold?
Hello.
Is it hello or L? Cold. Nice. How do you spell cold? Okay. One last game. When I clap my hands 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you should stand up and go and sit down quickly, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Kellen, how do you spell hot? How do you spell hot? Okay, how is the weather today? Look out the windows. Today. Oh, you can't see, it's dark. How's the weather today? Today is cloudy. And how was the weather yesterday? Windy. Cold. And how will the weather be tomorrow? Will be, I don't know. Okay, let's stand up together and sing a song about the weather. Ready? Go. 1, 2. It's cloudy and cold. Today is cloudy and cold. All day long. Ouch. All day. Tomorrow. I don't know. Yesterday was. Think about it. Windy and cold. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. All right, sit down, class. Yeah. Do you like this weather, Kevin? Yes, I do. Do you like? Okay, cool. Now it's time for us to do a science experiment. Okay? Now before we do the experiment, what is the number one most important thing when we do any science experiment?
Safety.
And what is number two?
Safety.
And what is number three?
Safety.
Yes, safety, because we don't want to get hurt and end up going to the hospital, right? Okay. Now, there are many different kinds of thermometers available out there. Now, in my hands, I have an electronic thermometer, okay, and a regular one, okay? Now, where do you see a thermometer?
Water.
No, where do you see a thermometer like this? In the hospital, on the wall. And who uses a thermometer? Doctors and nurses. And why do we use a thermometer? To find out if you have a fever and to find out if the weather is hot or cold. Nice. Now, here on this table, bodies up, hands and eyes. Okay, look at me carefully. Here on this table, Teacher Andy has 3 glasses. Okay? Now, this label says hot. That means in this glass, there is hot water. Okay? Now, on this label, it says cold. We've got tap water from the sink. And here it says iced. It means it's really, really cold water in this glass. Now, just to show you very quickly, take a look. Don't come anywhere close though. In the thermometer, as you can see, this red thing right there is called mercury. Everybody says mercury 3 times. Mercury. Now when Teacher Andy dips, I put this into this glass of hot water, the mercury is gonna rise up. And when it does, what do you say? Whoa! And then I would take it out, I would dip this thermometer back into the cold water, and what would it do? It would go down, and what do you say? Wah, wah, pew, pew. And when I put this in the ice water, the mercury is gonna go all the way down to the bottom. And you say, wah, wah, pew, pew. Ready? Okay, ready to do the experiment? Okay, now don't forget, safety is all we care about, okay? Sit down, teacher. Who comes to this table? Raise your hands. Alright, who goes to that table? Raise your hands. Right, come around, make a circle. Okay, who is the number 1 player? Who's number 1? Okay, pick it up. Ready? Okay, dip the thermometer into the glass. Count to 3. And take a look at the mercury. What's happening?
What's happening?
And what do you say? Whoa! And what's happening? Alright, nice. And into the ice water. Good. Okay, give it to the next person and change. Please.
Up or down?
Into water and look at it go. Look. What do you say? Whoa. Look, it's dropping down. Take a look. And into the ice water. Alright, give it to the next person and turn. Turn up.
Go up. Right? How about this one?
You finished? Okay, give it to the next player and turn.